basically trying to find something to eat in its home.
Yeah.
And then in the Meg, they literally go into the Megalodon's territory. They go through the barrier in the Mariana Trench to go study the creatures down there, and then consider it the villain for basically attacking them. They went into its territory.
Man, there's a lot of movies like that. You got Anaconda, you got Piranha.
Just a bunch of people sticking their nose in where it don't
Now,
belong.
the one time that animals did go to human territory was Sharknado.
I don't care how much you love that movie. I still do not believe that Sharknado is actually possible.
It's possible.
It happened at least 3 or 4 times.